Hello YouTube. This is a video of me doing a drywall repair for a flyer I made. Basically what I'm doing right here is I'm constraining the hole, so I don't even have to make it as big as it needs to be. And then I draw another square on the outside for my relief area, so it makes it lower than the wall itself. You see what I'm doing right there. I kind of peel up a little corner there, and I'm using a putty knife now to go around the edge and split the paper in two, basically. So I leave some on the wall, and then most of it comes off. You'll see a piece. I'm just doing the backing boards right now. Those are really important. You want to get those in the corners if you can. They support your edges mostly. You want 4 points of contact so that it will move with the wall. I mark everything in place so that I'm super close. And it cuts down on the amount of materials I carry around there. Yeah, I'm just cutting that thing out. Fitting it, yeah. I like it to fit like really close, but not touching. I believe, yeah. So I'm gonna put, 4 more screws into this. I want it to sit below the wall, the actual wall, so that I can, so I can fill it with mud and then take it all the way level with the wall, back off. I don't use premix mud because you have to paint afterwards, and it doesn't dry as fast as this. This is I think it's 20 minutes. But and I use a drywall hawk, so I only mix as much as I need at any given time for the job at hand. It cuts down on my waste, and it's easier to work with than a mud pen. But you gotta clean the corners, anyways. I like to fill the edge around the patch with a small putty knife and push it in, and then I use a larger drywall knife to come back and kind of get as much of it off as I can. And then I'll once I get a little bit set on top like that, I'll get a large knife and pull it flat, all, side to side, parallel with the wall. I'm trying to get as much mud back off as I can and leave it so it stays flat. If I get any kind of dips, I'll go back. But you'll see, I'll finish off with the large knife. So it takes about, like I said, 20 minutes, but 15 minutes to for that to dry solid. Then I come back with I don't use sandpaper because it makes a big mess, but I use just a water and rag, and I scrub it down. I try to get and I'll go all the way to the edge of the repair too. That way I leave as much of the original texture as possible. If you can see. And then I bought it's a PowerTech sprayer from Wagner. It's super handy. I don't know how it would hold up to an all-day use, but what I do with it runs great. You can still see the thing because it's not painted and knocked down yet, but this is what it looks like knocked down, and you can barely see it coming into view right now, the top edge right there. But if you didn't know it was there, you wouldn't.